Um, why do you want to become a judge?
So the trust and the respect that people have for this.
Any particular reason why you want to enter the judiciary rather than be a lawyer?
Yes, sir. The trust and the respect that people have for this profession is something which inspires me towards joining this profession.
Okay. Are you the first generation? What I was asking, are there any other family members who are lawyers or judges in your family?
So my one of my elder brother is in practicing field. He's a lawyer.
Okay. What's your favorite subject in law?
So every subject is good for me, but I'm more interested in constitution and I like code of criminal procedure, Indian Evidence Act. So
Okay. Um, tell us what is the importance of the preamble of the Constitution?
So the preamble of the constitution starts with I, we the people of India. That means the sovereign power is vested in the people of the India. So it derives its authority from the people. And then so we adopted this constitution on the adoption day is 26 November 1949. And then we resolved to give ourselves this constitution and make India sovereign socialist secular democratic republic and secure to our citizens equality of justice, political, economic, and social equality of opportunity and status, and liberty of thought, expression, faith, belief, and worship, and fraternity among the individuals, which will ensure the unity and integrity of nation and also the dignity of the individuals.
No, but what is the importance of the preamble? Why should a constitution have the preamble?
So, constitution serves as the basic structure of the preamble serves as the basic structure of the constitution, and in the light of the preamble, many provisions of the constitution can get the interpretation. So, it enables us to understand with what thought process the constitution makers have enacted the constitution.
Thank you. Mr. Chaudhary.
criminal कॉन्स्पिरेसी
Sorry, sir.
और अबैटमेंट में क्या फर्क है?
Sorry, sir. Was
What is difference between abatement and criminal conspiracy?
sir difference between amendment and
No, his question is what is the difference between abatement and criminal conspiracy?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I beg your pardon. Sir, criminal conspiracy is an agreement between two or more persons to do an unlawful act or to do a lawful act, but by unlawful means. But the abatement is a process by which a person, through the medium of instigation or either engaging in a conspiracy and in pursuance of that conspiracy, act is committed, or by aiding in that facilitation of the act, through these medium a person helps another to do a criminal act, so that is called abatement. So the difference between sir. Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
Yes,
What is
sir.
the difference between criminal conspiracy and liability under Section 34?
Yes, sir. Sir, in criminal conspiracy, it's a substantive offense, but under section 34, it is a principle of constructive criminality. So it's not a substantive offense. And yes, sir.
Whether presence of the accused is compulsory in both the cases at the scene of occurrence.
Sir, the presence of the accused is not necessary, sir.
In common intention,
Sir, in common intention, the presence is not necessary. However, the participation would be necessary. The participation in any manner, however slight the participation is, that is necessary.
okay. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
उपासना एक लीडिंग केस है रायलैंड वर्सेस फ्लेचर
Yes, sir.
बताइए.
Sir, in Raylan versus Fletcher, the principle of strict liability was involved by the courts. So in this principle, the court held the principle that if a party brings something which can be dangerous to their land, so they will be held strictly liable for any harm that it can cause, even if it is done without their negligence. Still, they will be held responsible.
अच्छा, मैं पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि जब आप जुडिशरी में आएंगी तो आपका कहीं पर बाहर की तरफ तबादला होगा, आपको हिंदी आती है? मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ आपको हिंदी पढ़ना पड़ेगा। आपके सामने एप्लीकेशन जो भी वो होगी वो हिंदी में होगी। जो आपसे लगभग जो आदमी आपसे बात कर रहे होंगे, जो एडवोकेट बात कर रहे होंगे, वो हिंदी में बात करेंगे।
सर मुझे हिंदी आती है अच्छे से।
हिंदी आती है अच्छी तरीके से, आप कर सकते हैं। अच्छा,
सर कनेक्शन ब्रेक हो गया है, मुझे आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है।
Pasha, what are the qualities of a good judge?
Sir, sorry, I beg your pardon. What are the qualities of?
A good judge.
Sir, the qualities of good judge, in my opinion, would be someone who is very reasoned in their decision, someone who is logical, and someone who is independent and does not get very influenced by any outer sources. So that would be the quality. And
Thank you.
Pasna, how good are you in reading Hindi?
sir, how good I am in Hindi? Yes, sir, I'm good in Hindi.
Which class?
Sorry, sir, the connection is little off, so that's why I could not.
Okay. You have studied Hindi in which class? Till 10th?
Sir,
10th class.
up to 12th, I have studied Hindi.
Um, we appreciate your coming to the interview. Rather confident. You're answering all your questions with a lot of confidence and with knowledge. So I don't think you should have much difficulty. You seem to understand the purport of the questions. You seem to answer it very precisely. So that's very good.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you. Thank you for being with us.
Sir, any yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, any suggestion like on what I need to work upon?
Not really, because any interview board would be happy to select. You seem to exude confidence. You seem to know what you're talking about. Your expression is very precise. Your command of the English language is good. So I don't think there should be much difficulty.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So you're coming from Uttar Pradesh is number one, know as much as you can about Rajasthan.
Yes, sir.
As a judge, it's very important to know the social structuring of deal with. You'll find that Rajasthan is quite different has different social structure than, let's say, UP or Madhya Pradesh or Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Although we may be the Hindi belt, part of the Hindi belt. So I would suggest read up as much as you can on Rajasthan history, society, the places, because you don't know where you will be posted. Could be thrown into a place called Bardmer, which is the heart of the Thar Desert. I hope you're mentally prepared to face a lot of hard weather. Harsh weather is part of Rajasthan. Churu hits 15 summer and -1 in winter. So just be prepared for all that.
उपासना, frankly speaking, best of luck आपके लिए.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
नहीं होता और इतना इंटरव्यू होता तो साहब हम साहब के चेयर कर रहे हैं साहब, तो सबसे ज्यादा नंबर शायद आपके होते आज.
Thank you,
और
sir.
हम आपको बेस्ट ऑफ लक बोलेंगे सर. ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
कनेक्टेड नहीं